Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Slack to Salesforce, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Slack to Salesforce, begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the app launcher. In the app launcher, type Slack in the search bar. Select the Slack app from the search results. You may need to install the Slack app if it's not already added to your Salesforce environment. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the app. After installation, go to the Slack configuration page within Salesforce. You will see an option to connect to Slack. Click on it. Log into your Slack account when prompted. Authorize Salesforce to access your Slack by clicking the Allow button. After successful authorization, return to Salesforce settings. In the Salesforce settings, customize your Slack integration as per your team's needs. You can set up alerts and notifications from Salesforce to be sent to specific Slack channels. Specify which Salesforce objects you want to be synchronized with Slack. Ensure you save your configuration after making changes. Next, test the integration to confirm everything is working properly. Send a test notification from Salesforce to your desired Slack channel. Verify if the notification appears in the Slack channel. If you encounter any issues, revisit the integration settings for troubleshooting. Once confirmed, you are all set to use Slack with Salesforce for improved team collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.